Hello, and welcome back to Meet the Penis. This is MTP 101. I'm Dr. Alfie, and today we're diving into something a little different, but very important. How to pack for penile implant surgery, especially if you're traveling for it. We've had patients come in from every corner of the world, and some of you show up with nothing but nerves in your old gym shorts. So today, we're gonna fix all that. So let's pack together. First up, supportive underwear. Not your favorite pair with the holes in them. I'm talking fresh, snug, clean support. Think compression for your boys, not laundry day leftovers. Next up, an ice pack. If you have one, great. If you don't, no worries. Ziploc bags to the rescue. You fill with ice, wrap in a towel, and voila, instant ice pack. Especially if you're in hotels or Airbnbs where your freezer options are creative. Now I always recommend a good book. Why? Because in the first 48 hours, you're gonna be chilling. Literally. Read something that keeps your mind off of your healing situation, or something that makes you laugh while you're waddling back and forth to empty your drain. Most importantly, don't forget your pre-op meds. Pick them up before surgery if possible. If not, contact our office. You don't want to be waiting in line at CVS woozy wearing a jock strap. Now, bring comfortable clothes. Athletic shorts, your favorite t-shirt, easy to slip on and off. Think gym class, not date night. Bring your paperwork. Even if you already emailed it, just bring it. Technology fails, and I promise a hard copy will save you stress. And last but not, wet wipes are your best friend. You won't be taking full showers right away, so unless you enjoy feeling like a sticky popsicle, bring some wipes. Now, after surgery, your job is to relax. Stay off your feet, stay on your meds, empty your JP drain religiously. If you don't remember how, just watch MTP episode 86 and we break it down. By day 3, you'll be back in our office. If all looks good, we'll remove your drain and you can drive again if you're up for it. Some of you travel solo, just let us know and we'll make sure your surgery is scheduled early so you can recover safely. So that's your penile implant packing list. Pack smart, plan ahead, and keep it light. Remember, no tight jeans until further notice. See you on the next Meet the Penis for 102. Safe travels and happy healing.